Hello there, it's me, your old pal Carl Welshman, and today we're having a look at another booze-free beer. Today we're looking at Sound from Lakedown Brewing Company. Where are they? Where are they from? Sussex. Sussex. The sun is shining in Belfast. Perfect weather for a juicy pale. Pop that open. Not a bad initial sniff. Oh. That looks gorgeous. Oh. And now for the best bit. Having a little swig on the old beer. Oh, that's a good one. That is a good one. Beautiful carbonation. None of that horrible sweetness. Got a nice bitterness. It's clean. It's very, very quenchable, crushable. Ah, it's delicious. That is a very delicious beer. That's one of those booze-free beers that's not a million miles away from a full fat booze-filled beer. That is tasty. That's tasty. Lakedown Brewing Company Sound. I could drink that all day long, and especially with that glorious sunshine that we got in Belfast. Beautiful beer. Highly, highly recommended. You get yourself an 8.9 out of 10. Gorgeous beer. Absolutely gorgeous. Oh!